Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So this is the live price prediction of Dogecoin. After a very long time, Dogecoin is again wake up, and absolutely this month they will give you very huge profit. And there is a more chances, my brother. There is a more chances to Dogecoin is gonna be viral again now. You know why I will tell you to there is more chances to them moving upward because I'm 100% sure, my friends, to if they moving in just in only in the start of month, especially the first week of this month. Therefore I am 100% sure, my brother, to upcoming time, especially in the second week, they will go in the moon. They will completely gonna be viral. So it's mean to the good time is soon. Kindly holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now just in only at the end of month. So just in only you need to hold, and if you have any plan to invest more, then exactly this is very good time for you, my brother, to you invest now. So go invest and hold it, don't sell it. Remember to don't sell it. I hope, my friends, in upcoming times they will moving upward. So let's see, my brother, we just only do wait, and absolutely they will give us very good profit. Let's see, my brother, you can see especially from last 1 month they completely fails down. So absolutely after a very bad fast they take a very huge jump. So therefore I am 100% sure to upcoming time, especially in this month, they completely take a very huge jump. Absolutely after this fails they take a very huge jump. So it's mean to upcoming time there is more chances to them moving upward. And if we check out the last 1 hour update towards going on this time in the current time is absolutely we understand. So can really they moving upward or not. So you can see at this time last 1 hour minus 0.72% fails down. So therefore absolutely I am right. You can see after a short fail they also take a very huge jump. So I hope in upcoming times they will moving upward now. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.